A+ലേക്കുള്ള വഴി ഇനി തനിയെ തുറക്കാം. Subscribe to the ENCLAPS channel. Ring the bell button and open success. It's that easy.
Hi, we know about northern mountain ranges. The snow-clad peaks and glaciers in the Himalayas are rich sources of fresh water. Numerous great rivers take birth through the confluence of streams originating from the melting snow. These rivers are known as Himalayan rivers. The Indus River is one of the most important Himalayan rivers. We all know it very well. Yes, the ancient civilizational centers of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro flourished here. The name Hindustan comes up from this river. The Indus River originates from the Boktarchu Glacier, north of Lake Manasarovar in Tibet. Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas and Satluj are the 5 major tributaries of Indus. It joins the Indus in the plains of East Punjab. The word Punjab literally means the land of 5 rivers. The Indus reaches the Arabian Sea from Pakistan. Another great Himalayan river is the Ganges, the longest river of India. The Ganges originates from the Gomukh cave in the Gangotri Glacier in the Himalayas. Ganges covers a length of about 2,500 km. It flows through the states of Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal. The Ganges has many tributaries. Bhagirathi, Alagananda, Mandakini, Yamuna, Son, Gagra, Kosi, Gandak are some of them. India and Bangladesh are the countries along the Ganges. When it reaches Bangladesh, the Ganges is known as Padma. Then the Ganges falls into Bay of Bengal. Then the Brahmaputra is another large Himalayan river that flows through various countries including India. The Brahmaputra flows through 3 countries: China, India and Bangladesh. It originates from the Chamayungdung Glacier of Tibet. The main tributaries of the Brahmaputra are the Subansiri, the Manas, the Teesta and the Lohit. The Brahmaputra river is known as Sangpo in Tibet and Jamuna in Bangladesh. The Brahmaputra joins the Ganges and flows through the Sundarbans region of Bangladesh into the Bay of Bengal. Now, let's learn about the Peninsular rivers. The rivers originating from the elevated regions of the Peninsular Plateau are known as Peninsular rivers. As these are rain-fed rivers, the water flow in these rivers decreases in summer. The Mahanadi is the first one. It is only one of the 4 major rivers in northern India that does not originate from the Himalayas. The Mahanadi originates from the Maikala hills in Madhya Pradesh. The river flows mainly through Chhattisgarh and Orissa. The Hirakud Dam is built across the Mahanadi River in Odisha. Ip, Tel, etc. are the major tributaries. The 857 km long Mahanadi River flows eastwards and finally joins the Bay of Bengal. Godavari is the second. It is the longest river in the Peninsular Plateau. Godavari is also known as Vrinda Ganga. The Godavari originates from Western Ghats, typically from Triambakeshwar in the Nashik district of Maharashtra. The Godavari stretches for about 1,465 km from Maharashtra to Andhra Pradesh. Indravati, Shabari and Varda are the major tributaries. Godavari flows eastwards and drains into Bay of Bengal. Krishna is another important river in the peninsula. Krishna originates from the Mahabaleshwar hills in the Maharashtra in Western Ghats. Bhima and Tungabhadra are the major tributaries of Krishna. It travels through the states of Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana and joins the Bay of Bengal near Vijayawada in Andhra Pradesh. Kaveri is another major peninsular river. Kaveri originates from the Brahmagiri ranges in the Western Ghats. Kabani, Bhavani and Pambar are the major tributaries of this river. The Kaveri flows through the states of Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Puducherry and Karnataka. Kaveri River drains to Bay of Bengal. So far, we have come to know the peninsular rivers flowing east. Now, let's get familiarized with the two peninsular rivers that flows west. First one is Narmada, originating from Maikala Hills in Chhattisgarh. Narmada is 1312 kilometers long. The river flows through the Vindhya Satpura Hills through the states of Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat and Maharashtra. Hiran and Banjan are the tributaries of Narmada. Narmada falls into the Arabian Sea at Bharuch in Gujarat. The Tapti is another river. It originates from the Mundai Plateau of Madhya Pradesh. Ansar and Girna are the tributaries. Tapti drains to Arabian Sea through Surat of Gujarat. This is all about the major river systems of India. Now, let's see what are the important differences between these. Himalayan rivers have extensive catchment area, but peninsular rivers have comparatively smaller catchment area. We know Himalayan rivers originate from very steep region. Therefore, they have a very high erosional capacity. However, the erosional intensity of the peninsular rivers flowing through the relatively flat terrain is very low. Himalayan rivers create gorges in the mountain region and meanders in plains. But peninsular rivers do not create deep valleys as they flow through hard and resistant rocks. The Himalayan rivers have high irrigation capacity, but the peninsular rivers have a low irrigation capacity. Due to the high irrigation capacity, the Himalayan rivers in the plains have the potential for inland water transport, which is relatively low in the peninsular rivers. Hope you understood the differences. See you later.
3 ലക്ഷത്തിലേറെ വരുന്ന ചോദ്യോത്തരങ്ങൾ ഏറ്റവും കുറഞ്ഞ ചിലവിൽ സ്വന്തമാക്കുവാൻ ഉടൻ തന്നെ ഡൗൺലോഡ് ചെയ്യൂ ENCLAPS the Learning App.